The sun rises over a vibrant African village. Children play, elders share stories, and the community buzzes with life. Amidst this, Anansi the spider is seen sneaking through the village, collecting various items. Narrator: in a lively African village, there lived Anansi the spider, known far and wide for his cunning ways. One day, Anansi decided he wanted to possess all the wisdom in the world, so he began to gather it secretly. Hedgegist, Zhang Wan, Wikipedia, Zhang Wan, Sina 1. Anansi is shown visiting different wise individuals in the village, collecting symbols of wisdom: a book from the teacher, a staff from the elder, a tool from the blacksmith hand, placing them into a large clay pot. Narrator: Anansi went to every wise person, collecting their knowledge and storing it all in a clay pot, believing that with all wisdom in his possession, he would be the smartest and most powerful of all. Scene 2. With the pot now full, Anansi looks around suspiciously and decides to hide it atop the tallest tree in the forest. Narrator: wanting to keep the wisdom all to himself, Anansi thought, I must hide this pot where no one can find it. So, he set his sights on the tallest tree in the forest. Wikipedia. Scene 3. Anansi ties the heavy pot to his belly with a rope and struggles to climb the tree. He slips and slides, unable to make progress. Nearby, his son, Tikuma, watches with curiosity. Tikuma: Father, why don't you tie the pot to your back? It would be much easier to climb that way. Scene 4. Anansi pauses, realizing the wisdom in his son's words. He sighs and sits down, looking at Nitakuma. Anansi: if my young son already knows this, then what is the point of me hoarding all the world's wisdom? Wikipedia. Scene 5. Anansi unties the pot and, in a moment of reflection, decides to share the wisdom with the village. He climbs onto a rock and calls out to the villagers. Anansi: come everyone, I have tried to keep all the wisdom to myself, but I see now that wisdom is meant to be shared. Closing scene. The villagers gather around as Anansi distributes the symbols of wisdom back to their rightful owners. The village becomes even more vibrant, with people collaborating, learning, and growing together. Narrator: and so, Anansi learned that wisdom grows when shared. From that day on, the village thrived, with everyone contributing their knowledge for the betterment of all. Call to action. Narrator: hey kids, did you enjoy the story of Anansi and the pot of wisdom? Remember, sharing what you know with others helps everyone learn and grow. What wisdom will you share today? End of script. Animation style recommendations. Vibrant African landscapes. Utilize rich, warm colors to depict the village and forest, reflecting the beauty of the African setting. Expressive characters. Design Anansi and other characters with expressive features to convey emotions effectively. Cultural authenticity. Incorporate traditional African patterns,